Ever wish you could make a moment last? Today, we're diving into how to create stunning slow motion effects in Adobe After Effects, all in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Get your video into After Effects. Import your footage by double-clicking in the project panel, then drag your clip onto the composition icon at the bottom of the project panel, or create a new composition from the video. I drag and drop it on it. Make sure your video clip is selected on the timeline. Time remapping is the key. Right-click on your video layer in the timeline, go to Time, and select Time Remapping. This adds to keyframes at the beginning and end of your clip. Now, move your playhead to where you want the slow motion to begin. Click the stopwatch icon next to Time Remap to create another keyframe. Create another keyframe where you want the slow motion to end. Here's the fun part. Click and drag the second keyframe you created. Pull this keyframe further away from the first to slow down the section between those keyframes. The further you pull them, the slower the motion will be. Finally, let's smooth things out. Select your video layer and in the timeline select the toggle switches modes. Choose frame blending. This will help reduce stuttering. Now preview your video to see your amazing slow motion effect. You can adjust the speed further, adjusting the position of the keyframes, and there you have it. Slowing down video in After Effects is that easy.